Hey everyone, today I'll show you 5 amazing PicsArt tricks that can take your edits to the next level, all on your phone, with no Photoshop needed. If you want to edit like a pro, let's dive in. Remove background in one tap. Open your image. Tap on Remove BG. And boom, the background is gone like magic. You can add a colorful one, a custom scene, or just a gradient. Perfect for Instagram posts, stories, or YouTube thumbnails. Effects. Apply the effect from the Effects tab. Adjust the size, shape, and color. You can choose between these effects and enjoy it. Text. Go to text. Add your custom font. Add shadows, outlines, or 3D effects to make it pop. Great for social media posts or thumbnails. And also, you can use this ready template and customize it for your Instagram, YouTube, and Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, like and comment. Want a full tutorial on making viral posts using just PicsArt? Let me know. See you in the next video.